Hi, this is Dr. Al-Malood from FacultyWorkshop.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete old apps that are listed in your Google Play Store. Now, you may have noticed that if you install an app and delete it from your phone, it might still show up in your Google Play Store. And if you want to go ahead and remove or delete the history of those apps, what you need to do is go to your Play Store, click on the three lines at the top left corner, click on My Apps and Games, click on Library, and you will see here a list of all the previous apps that you had installed on your phone and perhaps deleted, but they're still showing up basically in your app history. In order to delete them, you simply need to click the X button that is right next to the app that you want to remove, confirm. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to be notified as soon as we release another video. If there's something specific that you would like to learn, please post your request below this video in the comments section. Thank you for watching.